Hi everyone, nice to see you once again. I am NARA. Today I am going to take you present continuous tense positive. Again, present continuous tense positive. So what does this mean? You can see the form I am to am. See he it is to she's his it's working. We you they are or where you are there working. So this is the form of present continuous tense positive. So you can see here verb to be am is are plus verb ing. So what does this mean? You can see here use how to use. Yeah, to talk about something happening now. Yes, present continuous tense to talk about something happening now. One more. Use the present continue to talk about the activity in the present. Do not use it with this verb like love, hate, want, know, understand, forget, agree. These verbs are not activity. Use the present simple with this verb. Yeah. So this all these verbs are not activity. Yeah. Do not use this word. These verbs are not activities. Use the present simple with this verb. Yes. So note. You can see note. Example: sit to sitting, get to getting, plan to planning. Double N. Run running. Double N. Stop stopping. Double P. Come coming. Live living. Make making. Die dying. Why? Lie lying by. So it's not double, just M V K change I E to Y I N G. Change I E to Y I N G. Lying. So you can see here practice. So 40. Write the sentence with the verbs in the present continuous. Number 1. John and I are staying in a beautiful hotel. So the answer are staying. Number 2. Annie and Joe are making a cake for tea. So tea to present simple are making. Number 3. Steph Spencer's is working at home today. So verb to working. So this is the answer present continuous tense positive. Number 4. I am waiting for a letter from my parents. So wait to I'm waiting. So I'm waiting is the answers. Number 5. You are walking too fast. So walk to walkings. Number 6. We are planning our next holiday. So plan to planning present continuous tense positive. Number 7. The girls are visiting their grandmother today. So visit to visiting are visiting is the answer. Number 8. See so is she is reading in her bedroom at the moment. So read is to reading present continuous tense positive. Number 9. I am trying to listen to the radio, but it's very noisy in here. To try to trying. I'm trying. So I'm trying is the answer. 10. The sun is shining beautifully today. So shine to shining. So yes. So this is the answer of 40. Write the sentence with this verb in present continuous. So this is how to use the present continuous tense positive to talk about something happening now. You have to remember this point. You have to make sure that you can understand what it's talking about. To talk about something happening now. So present continuous tense is to talk about something happening now. Use the present continuous to talk about activity in the present. Do not use this verb like, love, hate, want, know, understand, forget, agree. So we don't use this verb. You have to remember, we don't use this verb with present continuous tense like the word like, love, hate, want, know, understand, forget, agree, because these words are not activity. So use the present simple with this verb. Okay, you have to remember this one is very important. I have to make sure you can understand this point, and I'm going to make the column. Yes, we don't use all this word with the present continuous tense. And one more, agree. Yes. So this is the main plan for the whole lesson, to talk about something happening now. For present continuous tense positive. So the form is verb to be is am is are plus verb and plus ing. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to get more video. I'm going to teach you more lesson about the English grammar. Learn English. Thank you so much.